Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope all are doing good. Chalo, today we'll start a new artwork. We shall draw a seahorse in with color pencils. Okay, so for that we require first a pencil, like I'm using H pencil and a scale and an eraser for time being. Later we'll after the completion of the work we'll use marker, CD marker and color pencils to complete the picture. Okay, so first let us do the outline. For this I have taken A5 size paper, which is 160 GSM, and I have taped this. Everyone do tape because we need a border for the artwork that looks a good impact, so that we no need to, if at all we want to display our artwork, we no need to have to frame it or something. We can just laminate it and just stick onto the wall, so that even our artwork also doesn't get spoiled and it stays for a longer time. Okay, so let us start. So I have taken this A5 size paper. Now I'm going to mark my center point for this. Okay, so for this is 18 centimeters and 9 would be my center point for this, and this is I'm taking from where I have marked with the tape. Okay, and this is around 13, so I'll just take it as 6.5 or 6.7. Okay, this is 6.7. Now I'll just mark with the magic lines. What are magic lines? The lines which are not visible to anyone except you, but here I'll be drawing a little bit dark so that you all can see that. But when you are drawing this, do it magically. Only you have to see that. Why we are drawing this is because these lines are going to be erased. Now once we get this center point, we'll just draw a circle. This circle will be say about from top. See, I'm saying you all exactly with the measurement so that you don't get confused. We'll just take this from 3 centimeters. Okay, from 3 we'll just mark a dot at 3 centimeters, and we'll just make a circle width of 2 centimeters. Okay, and for this circle, now we are not going to use any instrument. We are just going to make with our hand. We are going to make a free hand circle. And for this, what did I tell you? I told you first make your hand free and then see that you're joining these two lines, or you can just make a curve for this and even this curve. Okay, this curve, and try to draw a circle. If at all you want even more perfect circle, then you can do one more thing. You can just mark the center point for these two, like I have taken one, and here also we are going to take this point and 2 centimeters, and we are going to make a curve. We are going to make curves, and now we are going to join these, and you get a perfect circle. Okay, now you can increase the circle or decrease according to your choice. Now we have taken a circle which is of 2 centimeters. Now we shall take we'll take the center of the circle also. This is the center point. So we have 4 equal parts of the circle. Now we'll just try to make the mouth of the seahorse. For this, let us take, I said I'll tell you exactly with the measurements. So I'm just taking 1.5 centimeters from the center line, and I'm marking a line. Okay, and this will be 1 centimeter above, and you can take half centimeter. The total thing will be of, okay, we'll just take 1 centimeter. Okay, and then it's not 1 centimeter, we'll just take 7 or 8 millimeters. Okay, we'll see this point is at 4 and mark it at 8 here and 1 here, and just make a rectangle. Okay, this 8 millimeters. Okay, and we have done this. Now we are going to draw the body part. How long should the body part be? Okay, just see this. We'll just draw a rectangle now, starting from here, this point. We'll use this point as our reference, and we'll start from here and we'll end at say about 10 centimeters. Okay, now let us draw a line over here and mark this line until, sorry, you'll have this 10 centimeters. Okay, 1 0 to 10 centimeters. We have done a line, and here mark one more line at 1 centimeters from the bottom. Okay, keep a point over here, and now we'll be doing one more line of the same length from this point, center point, or just mark from the 10 and join the circle. Okay, now we'll join these two. We'll make one other small rectangle. Now we got this. Now once we have got this mouth, face, now we'll try to do the body part. First, you have the center line. Starting from the center line, try to make a semicircle just below this. Okay, don't attach that, just below this, and get until here. Okay, this would be probably 5. Yes, it will be probably 5 millimeters. And now one more circle just after the center line. Use it and draw one more circle. Be confident in drawing these curves. Okay, while drawing these curves, you can just use your pencil a number of times, but when you're marking it, you should have a confident one. Okay, let us draw this and join this approximately at 1 centimeter. Yes, 1. This is 1. You can just get it till here. Okay, wait, let me tell you once again. This is the reference line we have, and we are going to join this. We are going to get this until here, this 1 centimeter point. Okay, and then just give a small curve and intersect at this center point. Okay, this will be like this. You can just get to it like this and give a curve here like this. Now you can make this one. This is just a reference. We'll just make confident lines once this is formed. Okay, now so we have got the front part of the seahorse. Now we'll do the back part of the seahorse. This is done here. From here, try to get above the line. Yeah, above the line, and just get this down here. A little bit curved. Don't get too much of curve. Okay, just a little bit bent over here, and let this bend be till here. And here, try to get a little bit above the line and get here. See, the point is intersecting over here. I mean, it's crossing here. And now from here, make this part as thin, and here it should be a little bit broad. Okay. Approximately we have taken 5 millimeters over here and 3 millimeters over here, and you can just draw this curve and yeah, draw these two. You need to have small gap over here, and the gap should gradually increase till here. Okay, now this is done. Let us make this a little bit even more broad, even more straight. Now you got this. Okay, now got the curve. Now we'll just draw this. Acha, before that, let us draw the other part. This is the center point of the what do you call the paper. Here we'll just give a curve over here, a little bit center to this point and this point, that would be here. Give a curve over here, or say a semicircle, small semicircle, and give the curve. See the curves, it's a sleeping S or some sleeping S. Okay, this is reverse of sleeping S, and this is, we have learned the curves, I think you all remember. Yeah, and now we'll be drawing one line a little bit slightly curved and above this. It's not too much big or it is not equal, it is just above this line. If at all we join these two, it is just above this line. Okay, and one line, this center line, one line would be above the center line and one line would be below the center line. Okay, now you can just draw them, connect them, giving these curves. This is done. Now we'll be drawing the curves. See, this will be the smallest one, and the curves will gradually increase once they are coming down till here. Okay, these these 1 2 3 4 5, all these curves will be gradually a little bit increasing, and now from down onwards here they'll decrease, they'll be small in size. You need to make smaller curves. Okay, see this, and this will be the smallest one. Now here we have given the curve which is facing upwards. Now we'll give the curve which is facing down like this. Okay, this will be the small, gradually increase it, 2 3. See the distance what we are giving. Okay, don't measure exactly with the scale, you can just measure approximately and give this. Okay, and 3 sorry 4 5, and here from when you touch this line you try to get it, make it small, 3 4, and this will okay, 3 2 1, this will be the smallest one, just one before the center line, that's it. Okay, now try to connect them this way, like this. See the curves, let them be confident curves. Okay, and this we are not going to join here, we are going to join this to the center part of this part, and here also we are going to get center part of this, and okay, this and this way. Okay, now we have done this part also, and now we'll be doing the mouth part. We have this rectangle, so this give this curve and give a small inward and join this. Okay, like this way, and down also we'll just give the curve and go a little bit up and join this curve, and this curve will be only till here, and give the small oval for the nose part, and a little bit bigger oval for the eye part. And for this, give an extension of this. We need to have this distance, and give two small circles which form the spectrum of the eye. And now give the curves. We can just join these two like this way, this way. They should be almost straight. Okay, don't get them slanting, say like this is wrong. Okay, we are not going to do this. We are going to do them straight, almost straight. And when it is coming to the bottom, do the reverse side. The curve should face down. Okay, this is done. And now the total thing is completed. Seahorse is completed. I think it is looking like a seahorse, right? Now let us do some aquatic plants. Starting from this, and when you are doing aquatic plants, the bottom will be a little bit broader, and when it is reaching the top part, it becomes a little bit sleek. Okay, and now you can give one more. Now here we want to show the one which we are drawing, that is back of the other one. Okay, this is front part and this is the back part, so we are not joining here. Done. And one more here. Just give a curve, because in water they don't stand straight, right? They'll be moving here and there, and here also. Now here you can just draw them if at all you're not confident, but once when you're doing with the pen, you can just take care which is front and which is bottom, which is back, sorry. That's it. Okay, now we'll just see, we'll just draw with the, in the next class I'll show you how to draw with the pen and color it. Okay, yeah, I hope you understood well. I want you all to draw with the pencil first, check it, and then go for and check my other video for the coloring part. Okay, all the best.